Gentlemen, let's settle this once and for all. Boxers or briefs? For decades, men have argued about which underwear is better for fertility, sperm health, and even sexual performance. Some swear boxers supercharge your sperm, while others claim briefs give better support and don't matter at all. But here's the real question. Does what you wear down there actually affect your testicular health? Or is it just one of those myths that never dies? If you've ever wondered whether switching from briefs to boxers could change your chances of becoming a father, or simply improve comfort and long-term testicular health, then stick with me. Because today, I'm going to unpack the science, the myths, and the hidden habits that matter far more than your underwear choice. But first, let me ask you, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments below. I love seeing this community of men from all over the world come together to take control of their health. And if you want more straight-talking, science-backed men's health advice without the fluff, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps us keep building this space for you. All right, let's dive in. So why does underwear even come up when we're talking about sperm? It comes down to one simple fact. Sperm are sensitive to heat. Unlike the rest of your body, sperm production, what we call spermatogenesis, requires a cooler environment than your normal body temperature. That's why the testes live in the scrotum hanging just outside the body. It's nature's built-in cooling system. Here's the theory. Boxers equals more airflow, cooler environment arrow, better sperm. Briefs equals tighter, warmer, less airflow arrow, worse sperm. Sounds logical, right? But biology is rarely that simple. The truth is, when researchers have tested this theory, the results are not nearly as dramatic as you might think. For example, one of the first studies, way back in 1998, tracked men who wore boxers versus briefs. The differences in scrotal temperature, tiny, fractions of a degree, and sperm quality, practically the same. Fast forward to a massive study in 2016, over 500 couples actively trying to conceive. Once again, underwear choice had no meaningful impact on fertility or time to conception. So, boxers don't magically supercharge your sperm, and briefs don't doom your fertility. But here's the catch. That doesn't mean underwear has no effect on testicular health. It just means the story is more nuanced, and that's exactly what I want to break down for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Jocelyn, urologist and men's health specialist. I've spent the past 5 years working with men of all ages, from younger guys worried about fertility to older men focused on prostate health, hormones, and long-term vitality. And I'll tell you this, while your underwear alone isn't likely to make or break your sperm quality, there are habits connected to your underwear choices that can either protect or sabotage your testicular health. So let's go through the top 5 habits and mistakes men make with their underwear and how to fix them. Habit number 1, overheating the groin. We know sperm don't like heat. And while the boxer versus brief debate is overblown, there are real habits that can overheat your testes. Sitting with a laptop directly on your lap, long hot baths or hot tubs, even driving for hours with heated seats on. Biologically, excessive scrotal heat can disrupt sperm production. Emotionally, struggling with fertility or low energy can chip away at your confidence as a man. Practically, use a laptop desk, limit long hot tub sessions, and give yourself breaks if you sit for hours. Habit number 2, ignoring hygiene and moisture. Briefs, especially if they're snug, trap heat and moisture. That's a breeding ground for fungal infections like jock itch. Biologically, fungal infections thrive in warm, damp areas. Emotionally, they're itchy, uncomfortable, and, let's be real, embarrassing. Practically, change underwear daily, use moisture-wicking fabrics, and if you're prone to irritation, consider powders like cornstarch to keep things dry. Habit number 3, forgetting the sock rule. This one surprises people. Fungus often starts in the feet, especially toenail fungus. And when you put on underwear before socks, you can actually transfer fungal spores upward. Dermatologists call this the sock first rule. Biologically, fungus travels from feet to groin, causing infections. Emotionally, it feels like such a small mistake, but it can lead to months of discomfort. Practically, put socks on first, then underwear. It's that simple. Habit number 4, going commando without caution. Yes, going commando feels freeing, and in hot climates, it might even help airflow, but it comes with risks. The big one, zipper injuries. Emergency rooms see more of these than you'd think, and trust me, it's not something you want to experience. Biologically, physical trauma can cause lasting damage. Emotionally, pain, embarrassment, sometimes even surgical repair. Practically, if you go commando, wear pants without zippers, or be very, very careful. Habit number 5, over-focusing on underwear, ignoring bigger factors. This is the one that matters most. Your underwear choice plays a small role. But what truly impacts sperm health are the big lifestyle factors. Smoking and alcohol, poor diet high in processed foods, lack of exercise, chronic stress, and poor sleep. Biologically, all of these directly affect sperm count, motility, and morphology. Emotionally, when fertility becomes an issue, men often blame the wrong things, like underwear, instead of addressing the bigger picture. Practically, focus on clean nutrition, regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep. These changes improve both fertility and performance far more than boxers ever will. So what should you actually do? Choose underwear based on comfort. If you sweat a lot, try breathable boxers or boxer briefs. If you prefer support, briefs are fine. Just keep them clean and dry. Follow the sock first rule. Protect your groin from fungal transfer. Stay mindful of heat exposure. Don't fry your testes in hot tubs or laptops. Focus on the big levers. Diet, exercise, sleep, and stress matter most. And if you want to give your sexual health an extra edge, consider natural nitric oxide boosters like watermelon extract, L-citrulline. It's not magic, but it can improve blood flow, stamina, and erectile quality, which matters just as much as sperm health. Gentlemen, listen, if you've been worried that wearing the wrong underwear ruined your fertility or harmed your health, let that worry go. The science is clear. Underwear alone is not the make or break factor. What matters is your overall health and habits. And the fact that you're here watching this means you care enough to make the right choices. That's already a powerful first step. So remember, wear what makes you comfortable. Keep your groin clean, dry, and cool. Focus on the lifestyle factors that truly shape your fertility, testosterone, and long-term vitality. Your age is not the end of your masculinity. Small, consistent changes can bring back energy, comfort, and confidence in every area of your life. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with another man who might need reassurance. I'm Dr. Jocelyn. Take care of your body because you are absolutely worth it, and I'll see you in the next one.